Okay guys, my friends have been asking me how they can register on TEMU app. Then I say to them that I'll do a video that I will explain a step-by-step procedure on how you can register on this TEMU app. If it is your first time of hearing that word TEMU. Okay, TEMU is online market that sell a wide range of products at low price. Yes, it's also a Chinese company that offers direct shipping from manufacturer to customers. Okay, if it is your first time on seeing me, my name is KingSomy. My channel is all about step-by-step how you can be productive in what you are doing, be it business or any aspect of your life. So without any further ado, let's jump into what we are here for. Okay, so guys, the first thing to do is to go to your TEMU app down here. See, this is my TEMU app. You click on it. It's not loading. They say privacy cookie, just click on accept all. Okay, what you do here is to sign up is to click on you, on this you on the down side of this. You click on it. You say that sign in or register. You click on sign in or register. You see that they say you can sign in with your Google, that means your Gmail. You can sign in with your Facebook, you can sign in with your email. If you have any other email apart from Google Gmail, like Yahoo Mail or Microsoft Mail, you can continue with your phone number. Okay, let's continue with Google. You see that by clicking on continue with Google, it will synchronize with my Gmail account, and automatically I have been signed up in TEMU. Let's click OK. They say thank you for subscribing. Here they say you should enter your phone number you would like to associate with your account below. So what you do here is you put in your phone number. Before then, you check whether these three numbers here tally with your country number. Like example, if I click on the left side, you see that they have different country here. Then you choose your country, then you put in your phone number here. So here they say they will send me a verification code via the phone number that I inputted. Let's wait for the verification code to enter. The verification code has been sent to me. Let me key it in and press enter. Voila, this is how I've been signed in on TEMU app as easy as ABCD. So with these steps, you can use it to sign in on TEMU app. Okay guys, this is how you can register on TEMU app with the step-by-step procedure I've shown you people. Until I see you next time, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks.